Welcome back, Futureless by Dr. Kashish, episode 2, How to be Irreplaceable in the Age of AI. In a world where AI makes everyone average, how do you become the only option? The Spike framework for career dominance is the solution. Watch till the end for a 60-day Spike action plan. The AI flattening effect. AI is making everyone 70% good at everything. We all know that. There are many skills where AI is helping us, like anything, like an assistant. So when everyone is average, then no one is essential. AI raises floor, compresses differentiation. Breath without depth is nothing but you are replaceable. So let's talk about the solution here. Your survival strategy is the spike. Don't be moderately good at many things. Be extremely good at specific things. And now we need to understand what are those skills where you should be the master. The Spike framework, where 5 strategies to dominate, will help you to understand it in a very better way. And this plan is really actionable. Specialize in the boring but critical. Package your process. Then incompleteness advantage. Kill your own job and emotion translator. Let's start with the S. First of all, find work everyone avoids, but organization desperately need it. The pain point mining technique. Identify 3 tasks people complain about most in the organization. Pick the one AI struggles with. Tasks requiring human judgment or relationship management, negotiation strategies. Become the expert in solving it. Not just good, but only option. Not only the good. You have to be the only the option. For that, you need to study and master that skill. Just look at the example. High stakes communication. The situation is everyone avoids difficult client conversation when project goes wrong. How they approach. They use chatbots or templated emails to handle complaints. But what is your approach? Masters difficult in-person conversations with empathy and solutions. What will be the result of it or the outcome of it? Becomes the go-to person for saving millions-dollar relationship. So here, which helps you to stand only one option. Just look at the next one. Double down package plus question everything. What we are going to double down? Your package plus question everything. P for package your process. Don't just work. Create repeatable systems only you can create. Once if you are solving and taking pleasure out of it, that is not the solution. You have to repeatedly solve such kind of pain points of your organization and become the only one. How we are going to work on that? The method which can be your formula in the future. Document your unique approach. Name it. Example, your name plus what kind of method you have used to solve this particular kind of pain point or the problem. Third one, train others on it, making you the source or the authority. Be the patent of it. And then train others on the same thing. For example, a sales representative develops the empathy clause, a 7-step questioning framework that converts cold leads. She trains the team, but everyone knows she invented it. Even with AI tools, people need her methodology. She is irreplaceable as the creator. Every time AI is not the solution. Our unique thinking ability or your intellectual ability to work on such kind of critical problems definitely make you stand out in that particular crowd. Now, I for incompleteness advantage. Most of the times, this is very important to understand what is incompleteness. Be the person who asks the question no one thought to ask. When we know that it is generated by AI and it is perfect, at that point, you need to understand what are the loopholes or after 5 years, what will be the vision of such kind of decision making. Here, what's missing? This is the key for it. This what's missing protocol definitely will help you. When given any AI output on the solution, ask what's the opposite perspective. What would be the opposite perspective in that particular given solution? Challenge. What are we not seeing? What are we not seeing? Others, they're seeing what AI has given, but few hidden facts may be there. or hidden aspects may be there that you have to focus on. Then push. What happens in 5 years with this decision? You have to be a visionary leader or visionary team member to understand it. Example, a strategist reviews AI generated market expansion plan. Looks perfect because it's generated by AI. She asks, what if our assumption about customer behavior is wrong? Discovers a critical blind spot that would have cost $2 million. She is irreplaceable because she sees incompleteness where AI sees completion, because human behavior is unpredictable. Now, just look at transform is nothing but evolve plus translate. Kill your own job. What you are doing, that mundane regular work like your other teammates or your other colleagues. First of all, the obsolescence roadmap. Quarterly, list everything you do. First of all, just make a plan what you do and how we are going to work on it. Automate, delegate 30% of lowest value tasks. Then use free time to learn next level skills. Here, AI comes in the picture. Whatever automated works are there, you have to just save your time by assigning that task to the AI. Then you need to invest your time to learn next level strategies or the skills. Then repeat it every 3 months. If you are not a learner, then it is not possible for you and it is not for you. You need to be in your learner mode should be every time on. Then only you can understand this spike in a proper way and implement it. Just look at the real example. An accountant automates bookkeeping with AI tools, eliminating 50% of her job. Uses that time to learn financial strategies and consulting. Within a year, she is not an accountant anymore. She is now a CFO, right? So she eliminated her replaceable role before AI could. So try to understand, when you are investing your time in creative learning, then definitely no one can replace you. Last but not the least, emotion translator. Feel, think, do translation method. AI outputs cold data, logic, recommendations. What is your job here? Translate to the emotional impact for stakeholders format. Here is what this means for you personally. Just look at the real example. A manager receives AI analysis showing team productivity down 15%. Instead of just sharing numbers, she translates this data, tells me you are overwhelmed. Let's talk about what support you need. Team responds to her empathy, not the AI's metrics. She is irreplaceable as the human interpreter. AI can provide you data or the information, but we need to understand our client or our audience as per their age, background, behavior, and the psychology. And if you are able to interpret it the way they can understand, then definitely you are the person who is irreplaceable and you are the only one who will be the option for that particular organization because of your efforts or because of the way you have planned your strategies according to the spike. Now, in short, just look at the spike framework at a glance. Specialize in the boring but critical. Find pain points others avoid that organizations desperately need. Second one, package your process. Create a name methodology that others can follow, but only you can create. Third one is incompleteness advantage. Ask what's missing from AI outputs that only a human would notice. That is very important. Dear viewers, sometimes we are just thinking that AI is more than us, but don't underestimate ability the way you think. Next one is skill your job. Automate yourself out of current tasks to climb the higher value work. Whatever your mundane or routine work, take help of AI, assign those tasks to AI, and you have to work on skill enhancing, making yourself more curious and learning new things. Your learning mode should be always on. Next one, emotion translator. Bridge the gap between AI's cold logic and human feelings that drive action. Because we know human pattern, human behavior, it changes every day, every time. So if you are able to understand it, then definitely you are the master. Your 60-day spike action plan. Now we have seen those strategies. Now we will work on the plan. First of all, you have to start with audit. You need to work on what are my routine work and what are those pain points in my organization, institution, or the company. Then day 15, assessment complete. This is what you have completed your whatever assessment you have done. Real time starts here. Your spike journey. First of all, you have identified your pain points, and then you need to work on that, how specially or creatively you are going to search solution on it. Even though others, they are feeling it's mundane, boring, or sometimes it is so critical, but you are going to take lead. Create your own solution for it. Method, when you have created the method, just write it down with your name, what kind of points or the problems were their pain points and the problems, and just write it down with those methodology. Now time comes to execute your plan. Result, you have to measure. You have to repeat this many times so that it could become your pattern. It could become your habit to solve such kind of pain points. Don't forget that human beings has that immense power. They can work with their empathy and with their critical analysis. Start building your spike today. Your career depends on it. Week 1 and 2, audit your skills. Identify what you are already doing at 90%. Week 3 to 4, pain point mining. Pick the boring but critical tasks AI struggles with. Next one, week 5 and 6, create your methodology, document and name your processes. Start training your peers as well. Week 7 and 8, execute plus measure, track request for your expertise, and just value and protect, and whatever you have created, you have to protect it. That matters a lot. So once again, we are going to throw light on it. Week 1 and 2, pain point mining, interviews 5 peers plus 2 managers. Identify tasks people complain about most. Pick one boring but vital task that AI struggles with. Then in next week, 3rd and 4th week, it is the time where you are making your method. Do 2 representative of your chosen task. Document your unique steps. Name your method and draft a page guide. That matters a lot. Planning is must. Then week 5 and 6, incompleteness representatives. For 10 AI outputs, apply the 3 questions. What's the opposite perspective? What are we not seeing? What happens in next 5 years? Capture 3 insights or the corrections in that. These questions a little bit may vary as per your task, but this is the basic thing where we have to work on. Week 7 and 8, obsolescence plus emotion. Automate, delegate 30% low value task. Practice, feel. Think, do 3 stakeholders updates. Translate AI outputs into emotional impact. That matters a lot. You need to understand your audience, and according to that, you have to integrate. So I hope you understood and learn spike plan, which can make you irreplaceable in the world of AI.